Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about topic indices and logarithm.
First question is logarithm. We need to solve the equation. As you can see, the question is 2 log 12, 7 over 15 plus log 12, 25 over 12 minus 2 log 12, 7 over 3. So first of all, we need to move the 2 to the power of 7 over 15 and we apply the same concept for 7 over 3 too. Then we square the 7 over 15. But when we square the 7 over 15, we need to put bracket so that both numbers will be squared. So the result of the square, we will get 49 over 225. And the plus 1, we change it into times, so we will get 25 over 12. And for 7 over 3, the symbol of negatives is equal to division. But after we square, we will get 49 over 9. So we change it into times so that the 49 will be the denominator for the number. So we multiply the number and we will get 1 over 12. 1 over 12 is equal to 12 power of negative 1. So we bring the negative 1 to the in front of log 12, 12. And after that, log 12, 12 is equal to 1. So negative 1 is multiplied by 1. We will get negative 1.
Okay, for the next question is 5 minus ln bracket 2 minus x is equal to 0. For the first step, we need to change the negative ln bracket 2 minus x into positive ln bracket 2 minus x is equal to 5. For the second step, you need to change the ln into log base e bracket 2 minus x equal to 5. Next, you move the e to the right side so that the 5 will become the power of e. Then for the last step is you need to change the negative x into positives so that you will get x equals to 2 minus e power of 5. That will be the answer for the second question.
The third question is, we need to solve the equation for log 16 bracket log 2 bracket 5x minus 4. We will get log 9 square root 3. Okay, so first of all, we change the base for log 9 square root 3. We will change it into base 3. As you can see, we change the 9 into 3 power of 2 because 3 power of 2 is equal to 9. So if we press the calculator, we will get 1 over 2 divide by 2 and we get 1 over 4. After that, we bring the log 16. We change it into 16 power of 1 over 4. And we will get 2. And next, we bring the log 2 to the right side and become 2 power of 2 and we'll get 4. Next, we move the negative 4 to the right side so that 4 can be plus with 4 and we'll get 8. So the last step is we will get x is equal to 8 over 5.
We continue with question number 4. The question is log 4x equal to 25 log x4. We change the log to 1 over log x4 equal to 25 log x4. We'll let the log x4 equal to y. So we get 1 over y equal to 25y. We solve that and we get y equal to plus minus 1 over 5. We change the y into the log x4 again and solve that. So we get x equal to 1024 and x equal to 1 over 1024. Next question. The question is, given that m equal to 2 power r and n 2 power of t, expressed in terms of r and t. We got the question for log 2 bracket mn 3 square over 32. We can change the divide into minus. So it become log 2 mn 3 square minus log 2 to 5 square. Log 2 to becomes 1. And then log 2m equal to 2 power of r plus log 2 to power of the 3t minus 5. So we get r plus 3t minus 5.
This is the first question of indices. The question is 6 power of 3n plus 2 times 2 power of 1 minus 3n divide 3 power of 3n plus 2. The 6 power of 3n plus 2 can be broken down into 6 power of 3n times 6 power of 2. And 2 power of 1 minus 3n you can broken down into 2 times 2 power of negative 3n. And 3 power of 3n plus 2 we can broken down into 3 power of 3n times 3 power of 2, and 6 power of 2 is equals to 36, and 3 power of 2 equals to 9, and 36 divide 9 you get 4, and 4 times 2 you get 8, and that's the 2 power of negative 3n you can move down to become the denominator, and it becomes 2 power of 3n. The number inside the bracket have the same power, so that can be grouped into 6 power of 6 divide 3 times 2 power of 3n, and 3 times 2 equals to 6. 6 divide 6 equals to 1, and 1 power of any number is still 1, so 8 times 1 you get 8, and the answer is 8. Next question. The question is p power of 1 over 3 plus q power of 1 over 3 times p power of 2 over 3 minus p power of 1 over 3 q power of 1 over 3 plus q power of 2 over 3. And you just need to do some simple multiplication, and you will get the answer as in the second line, which is p minus p power of 2 over 3 q power of 1 over 3 plus p power of 1 over 3 q power of 2 over 3 plus q power of 1 over 3 p power of 2 over 3 minus q power of 2 over 3 p power of 1 over 3 plus q. And you divide the same unknown, and you get p plus q, and that's the answer. Next question. 5 square root x times 7 cubic root of x. Square root x is equals to x power of 1 over 2, and cubic root x is equals to x power of 1 over 3. So the equation is in the form of multiplication, and there's the same coefficient, which is x. So the power, you can add the power where 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, you get 5 over 6. And 5 times 7, you get 35. And answer you get is 35x power of 5 over 6.
Okay, question number 4. The question is xy power of negative 2 over x power of negative 3 and y square. So the solution is x power of negative 2, y power of negative 2, x power of 3, and y power of negative 2. What I do in this line is I bring up the designation fraction to the top, So it will be negative. And xy of power of negative 2, I expand it. So we can, so the base is same. So the x, the power of negative 2 plus 3, y, the power of negative 2 plus negative 2. We solve it like usual. So the answer will be x over y, the power of 4. So the next question is the last question. So x minus y over x, the power of negative 2 minus y square. The first step is x minus y over we positive the designation of fraction. So we get 1 over x power of 2 minus 1 over y square. So we expand it. We expand it like we will do the same designation fraction. So we get x minus y over y square minus x square over x square minus y square. So we simplify it. We get x minus y times x square times y square over y square minus x square. So we simplify again. We expand the y square and minus x square. We get x minus y. The top is the same, but the bottom we will get y minus x times y plus x. We can simplify it by get rid of y minus x. So the final answer will be negative x square y square over y plus x. That's all from us. Thank you.